Okay, what's going on, everyone? I'm back again, dropping another project. Just in case it's your first time rolling through, my name is Ron. I am the Ron, and you stumbled upon my channel. This is called Beer Guy Workshop, where I pretty much get my hands dirty, trying new things, new concepts, some old concepts, trying to build stuff. So, just thanks for stopping by. Sit back, relax, grab some barbecue Fritos with a nice sweet tea, and stay tuned. In today's video, I'll be making a floating shelf. In videos back, I made a industrial pipe floating shelf. I'm done with all that like industrial pipe stuff. So I just want to keep things nice and sleek and minimal. That's my whole take on everything. Keeping everything functional, cool, minimal, looks good, ready to rock. So in today's video I'll be making a true floating shelf. It'll be made from walnut. Typical, style. It's just pretty much a long board mounted to the wall. That's pretty much it. Let's get to the video. Let's not waste any time. Let's get right to it. okay. That was pretty straightforward. I mean, you seen me glue up a lot of stuff. It doesn't take much. Just pieces have to be, if you have strips of pieces, they have to be joined together so they can, have a proper glue up. So pretty much was it. It's pretty much like a long, narrow cutting board. Pretty much that's what it is. Mounted to the wall. You see me use these specific mounting pieces. It's various different. It's like a lot of different ways to mount it to the wall, different anchors, different what have you. So whatever works best for you, grab it, get it done, and yeah. I mean, like I said, it was pretty straightforward. Really nothing to go into. I pretty much was on the fence of making this video because it's, but I said, hey, put it out there in the YouTube encyclopedia of videos. Somebody gets something out of it. And I hope all of you out there got something out of it as well. That my style, my take on it. I don't know. We're all different. So, all right. Catch you later. Stay safe out there. Keep your head on the swivel. And until the next video. So, peace. I'll catch you.
saw you from across the room. 이름은 다 내는 거 알아, 비아줄 알았는데 뜯겼으면 여기 오라고 때가 가라고 같이 여기 나와 내 집으로 In the limelight Thinking about the time, I'm thinking that the time's right 시간 내줘 내가 보여줘 that all night